Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Sunday, August 2nd, 2026 at 14:32, and today we have our day 2 outlook to look at for today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So, in tomorrow's day 2 outlook, we've got a slight risk that encompasses eastern North Dakota, western and northwestern Minnesota, and northeastern South Dakota. We have a marginal risk that encompasses eastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, into central Nebraska, through central Minnesota. We have another marginal risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Arizona, and we have another marginal risk up here that encompasses parts of northeastern Pennsylvania, extreme northern Delaware, much of New Jersey, eastern New York State, much of much of Connecticut, northern Rhode Island, much of Massachusetts, central to southern Vermont, and central to southern New Hampshire. So we have those areas under a margin of risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. We have Fargo, Grand Forks, Moorhead, West Fargo, and Fergus Falls under the in New York, Philadelphia, Boston, Tucson, and Newark under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of eastern North Dakota, western and central Minnesota, and northeastern South Dakota. So we have those areas under a 2% tornado risk for tomorrow. We have Fargo, Grand Forks, Moorhead, West Fargo, and Fergus Falls under the 2%. So we could see near-zero tornado possible in the 2% area tomorrow. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses eastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, and western and central Minnesota. We have a 5% that encompasses eastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, into central Nebraska, through central Minnesota. We have another 5% over here that encompasses southeastern Arizona, and we have another 5% up here that encompasses southeastern Pennsylvania and eastern Pennsylvania, much of New Jersey, extreme northern Delaware, eastern New York State, much of Connecticut, northern Rhode Island, much of Massachusetts, central to southern Vermont, and central to southern New Hampshire. So we have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow as well. We have Fargo, Grand Forks, Moorhead, West Fargo, and Fergus Falls under the 15%, and New York, Philadelphia, Boston, Tucson, and Newark under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses eastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, and western and central Minnesota. We have a 5% that encompasses eastern North Dakota, eastern and central South Dakota, going into central Nebraska and central Minnesota. So we have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. We have Fargo, Grand Forks, Moorhead, West Fargo, and Fergus Falls under the 15%, and Sioux Falls, St. Cloud, North Platte, Aberdeen, and Watertown under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 1 to 3 inch downward hail possible tomorrow. 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch downward hail possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says widely scattered to scattered severe storms are expected across eastern North Dakota, northwest Minnesota, and a small part of northeast South Dakota Monday afternoon into evening. Severe wind gusts and large hail will be the primary hazards. Isolated damaging winds are possible from central and eastern South Dakota and western Nebraska in portions of the mid-Atlantic and into New England and southeastern Arizona. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. There's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Even if you are under a margin of risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware and stay safe, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.